to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Nereyda, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get super easy low bun that's perfect for any occasion, whether you want to do something casual or you want to dress it up. This is my go-to bun. So let's get started. So I'm going to start off by pulling all of my hair back into a low ponytail, and then I'm going to take my hair bungee to secure it. You can go ahead and use any hair tie that you have. Now that the ponytail is secure, I'm going to start pulling some hair at the crown of my head to add some volume. And then I'm going to twist the ponytail and begin to wrap it around itself to create the bun shape. Then I'm going to start pulling at the edges of the bun to give it a little bit more texture, volume, and make it a bit more messy. If you want a more sleek bun, you can go ahead and skip this step. Now I'm going to start securing it with probably 3 to 4 bobby pins, and that's it for this look. And that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. This bun is super simple, very easy for all of you guys to do. If you recreate it, make sure to use hashtag Nereyda Speaks Hair so that I can see it. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give me a big thumbs up or a thumbs down if you didn't like it. And share, comment down below what else you would like to see. Bye!